Hi guys, my name is Juan with Fosco, and today we'll be taking a look at the Lenovo Yoga Chromebook C630. And with a starting price tag of $199, it is one of the largest and nicest looking Chromebooks I've seen so far. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So taking a first look at this Chromebook, it features a premium finish in midnight blue. It honestly looks black color to me unless you flash some light on it. One thing that I don't like is that it started to pick up my fingerprints easily. It already bothers me. This Chromebook has 8GB RAM with 128GB flash storage. It measures at 0.7 inches thick, and its reduced bezel really makes the display look sleek. Picking up this Yoga Chromebook is surprisingly heavy at 4.2 pounds due to its all aluminum casing, so carrying around with you daily might not be ideal. Its size makes it really stand out with a 15.6 inch display, which makes it one of the largest Chromebooks ever existed. And just take a look at that, this beast is about the same size as this MacBook Pro here. The screen features a 1080p resolution with an IPS anti-glare LED display. If you're looking for a 4K edition, you can grab one for $749, but the base specs will stay the same. The screen is also a multi-touch screen in case if you want to use it as a tablet. You can flip it 360 degrees and voila, you have a massive tablet. So when it's in a tablet mode, the physical keyboard will deactivate and the touch keyboard will activate. But in my opinion, it's just way too big and heavy to use it as a tablet. And not only that, it's just too weird to feel the keys on the back. There's also other different yoga modes like the stand mode and the tent mode, and this is really great if you want to use it for a presentation or watch videos on my channel or any other ways that suit your needs. The hinges of this Chromebook is really well built. I just love how Lenovo places their logo right there on the hinge. It just makes the display look more sleek without the logo popping out in front of your face. On the right side of this Yoga Chromebook, there's the power button, there's the volume control button, there's a micro SD card slot here, there's a USB-C port, and this is the mini security lock slot. On the left side, this is the USB-C port, there's power status indicator here, there's a USB 3.0 port, and here is the headphone jack port. What's really cool is that you can actually charge this Chromebook on either sides of the USB-C ports, so this is really useful depending on where the nearest wall outlet is to you. So this Yoga Chromebook comes packed with an 8th gen Intel Core i5 U series processor. Its quad-core processing makes it one of the fastest Chromebooks in the market. So far during my normal usage, I'm pretty satisfied of this quick speed to get my work done. And not only that, I am really impressed with the battery life of this Chromebook. I was able to get a lot of work done with the battery life lasting around 9 to 10 hours. And a typical workday is 8 hours, so you can basically just leave your charger at home and still have enough. So I used this device until it's only 4% left, and it only took 1.5 hours to fully charge it back up. If you want to do some gaming on this Chromebook, you can only download games and apps from the Google Play Store. I also attempted to play PUBG, but I can't get past the main screen.
One eternity later.
Like seriously? The layout of this keyboard is really comfortable. There's enough space to type without my hands feeling cramped. There's no backlit keys, so working at night might not be ideal, but really it just depends on what you do. The trackpad is also really good. I was able to scroll and make gestures without delay. Clicking on the trackpad is awesome. I have always been disappointed with the clicking of the trackpads of other laptops, but this is just satisfying. Looking at the design layout of the keyboard reminds me of the MacBook Pro. Just comparing it, it looks almost identical, except there's no speakers up here. The speakers of this Chromebook are actually located at the bottom here with a slight slant design to not completely block the speakers. Not that I like the location of the speakers, but there's a reason behind why they chose it to do it this way. The reason why is because if they put the speakers up here, then when the user flipped the Chromebook in stand mode, it would block the speakers, and when flipping it in tent mode, the speakers will be playing from behind. In my opinion, I believe that they should have put the speakers right here, because when you put in a laptop mode, then the speakers will still play up here, and then when you flip it to the tent mode, the speakers will be still playing up here, and then when you put it in stand mode, then the speakers will play out here. And so this will benefit in all ways. Let me know in the comments below, where do you think the speaker should be located? So the webcam on this Chromebook only features a 720p resolution. There's also an indicating light to let you know the camera is on. Plus, there's also 2 microphones here to fully capture your voice. Testing out the webcam, it's not that bad, but as you can tell, it's not the best, but it will get the job done. Lenovo obviously had to make some budget cuts to make this Chromebook more affordable. So here's a video I took with a webcam on this Chromebook. Hi guys, my name is Juan with Fosco, and in this video I am testing the webcam and microphone of the Yoga Chromebook C630. Now that you get a basic overview of this Yoga Chromebook, the pros is that it has an excellent battery life of up to 9 to 10 hours. Its audio quality works really well. It has a fast processor for multitasking to get your work done. And I just really love its premium aluminum body finish. The cons is that it is extremely heavy at 4.2 pounds. And for a Chromebook, it is too pricey. The third is that I just don't like how it catches my fingerprints so easily. And the last con is that it has no backlit keys. So now I'll go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. And if this video helps you a lot, please smash that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews coming soon. Also let me know in the comments below on what tech gadgets you want me to review in the near future. Thank you very much. Peace.